Interestingly, there are certain types of music that can actually negatively affect us autistic individuals. Music can either be medicine or cause harm to your autistic child. Listen to the following. Classical music, specifically orchestral music from composers like Bach, Mozart, or Italian composers, has shown positive effects on the brain by decreasing blood pressure, having sedative effects, improving concentration, and helping with depression. For those of you who love heavy metal and techno, I'm sorry to say that it has been shown to be ineffective or possibly even dangerous due to causing stress, increasing blood pressure, or causing life-threatening arrhythmias. So, definitely have your child listen to more rich and beautiful orchestral music. I love Disney or Christmas orchestral music. Maybe listen to your favorite artist in an orchestral form. Thank you for watching this 2-minute or less ASD miniseries.